video, we'll guide you on using GrainFox Farm Profile. We'll explore its 5 tabs, provide a step-by-step walkthrough on creating your farm, adding commodities, setting up inventory bins, commodity allocation, creating contracts and deliveries, and finally checking reports. To begin, log into your GrainFox account. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand side bar, click on Farm Profile, and then Farms. Once in the Farm section, click on Add Farm. Next, input your farm name and select a farm location. For this example, I'm going to use Rockglen. I'm going to select on a map where my farm is, press save. If this is your primary farm, click this button and press save. In this section, you can compare per farm, or this is a great tool for comparisons year to year. As you start to enter in more historical data, you will begin to see this page evolve with you, providing a deeper insight into your business. Next, let's navigate to Commodities. The Commodities tab is your DIY page for managing your grain portfolio. Add commodities, allocate them to storage bins, grade your production, create sales contracts and deliveries seamlessly. To add your crops, click on Add Commodity. From here, choose your farm location, the correct year, the commodity that you'd like to add. In some cases, you'll see arrows to the right of each commodity. From here, you choose which type. For this example, I'll be adding canola commodity. In this case, I have seeded 1,400 acres, harvested 1,400 acres. My yield was 39.71, and then the production will automatically be calculated. And similarly, if you only have production, it will automatically calculate your yield. Once you've added in all of the necessary information, scroll down and click Save and Add New, or just Save if you're adding one. In this case, I'm going to continue to add another, so I'm going to click Save and Add New. This will reset, and I'm next going to choose my oats. Again, choosing the drop-down list, I'm just going to click oats. Seeded area is 750 acres. Harvested was 750 acres. My yield was 58.49. My production is automatically calculated. If you see these grayed out, make sure that everything is filled out. So sometimes, in this case, I didn't choose a farm location. So I'm going to click my farm, and now it will let me. Next, I'm going to add yellow peas. And lastly, I will add wheat. Now that you've added your commodities, let's add a layer of detail, which is by grading your commodity. Simply choose one of your commodity cards, scroll down to Allocation, click on the 3 dots next to the commodity, click on Grade. In this case, I'm going to grade my entire production to number 1 and press Save. Now that you have graded your commodity, Let's go into the Inventory tab and create storage groups so that you can add your graded commodity to it. Click on Inventory. The Inventory tab is a section that allows you to oversee your entire inventory and establish storage groups for organized commodity management. This is a tab where you can efficiently move, adjust, or simply empty your bins. To create a storage group, simply click on Create a Storage Group. From here, choose your farm name, enter in your storage group name, choose whether or not it's a bin yard or a grain elevator. In this case, I'll choose bin yard. From here, you've created your storage group. Next, simply click on Create Storage. From here, you're going to name your bin. Choose whether or not it's permanent storage or temporary storage. What type of storage it is, grain bin or building. Bin type. In this case, I'll choose the second option. Then put in your capacity. And choose your units. From here, press Save. Now you've created a permanent bin storage in Jane's Bin Yard that you can see has 20,000 bushels of capacity. With storage groups in place, the next step is to allocate your commodities. Although you have the choice to allocate commodities through the Inventory tab, as you see here, I'll demonstrate a simpler method by allocating commodities directly from the Commodities tab. This serves as a primary, user-friendly page for managing your commodities. So for this, return to Commodities. Choose the commodity you'd like to allocate to a bin. Scroll down to Allocation, click on Allocate, and from here, you want to move the desired quantity to the bin that you created. So in this case, I'm going to move 10,000 bushels to Storage Bin 1, choose a reason, then choose your grade, scroll down, and press Save. Now that your commodity is well organized and allocated to its storage, it's time to create a sales contract. While still on the Commodities page, choose the commodity for which you want to create a sales contract, scroll down to the bottom, and click Add a Contract. This action will take you to a page where you can fill out all the necessary contract information. As you can see here, I've entered in all of the necessary information. From here, I'm going to click on Create. Once you've created your sales contract, you'll see it listed here. Now we need to add a delivery. Click on the drop-down menu left to the contract. From here, you'll see Deliveries drop down and Add Delivery. Once you've entered in all of the necessary information, scroll down to Inventory Adjustment and choose which storage bin you want to move this product from. So I am going to move number 1 canola, 316.16 metric tons, and then from there, press Create. Now on this same card, you'll see a sales summary pop up, all of the necessary information, and your contracts and deliveries. Still while in Contracts and Deliveries under the Commodities tab, you can mark a delivery or a contract complete. Click on the sales contract. From here, click on Mark as Complete. Fill out the necessary information and press Confirm. If you wish to have a comprehensive view of all of your contracts, deliveries, detailed insights, simply go to the Sales tab in Farm Profile. This tab will provide you with a platform to efficiently manage and gain valuable insights into your inventory commitments, deliveries, and progress of your sales contracts. For a smoother process, it's advisable to create contracts and deliveries from the Commodities tab, ensuring a direct link between the commodity and the respective contract you're generating. Although you have the option to do this in the Sales tab, the Commodities tab offers a more seamless and interconnected approach. For a comprehensive overview of your entire crop portfolio, navigate to the Reports tab in Farm Profile. Here you can see an overview of your harvested, inventory, seeded acres, your unsold and sold portfolio. Delve deeper into production metrics like your harvested, inventory, or seeded area year over year. And then finally, the sales side, taking a look at your unsold, sold, and delivered quantities. If you're interested in exploring Farm Profile further and would like a one-on-one demo, feel free to reach out to our dedicated customer success team. We're here to assist you. Thanks so much for watching today.